How are you all? Hope you all are fine and doing good. Today we will continue chapter 7 of Geography, our country, India. Today we will discuss question answer of the chapter. Before that, do share this video with all your friends and subscribe my channel and hit the bell button so that you get all the notification. So, here we begin with our first question of the NCERT. Name the major physical division of India. So, the major physical division of India are the Himalayas, the Northern Plains, the Great Indian Desert, the Peninsular Plateau, the Coastal Plains, and the two group of islands, Lakshadweep and Andaman and Nicobar. So, coming to question number 2. India shares its land boundaries with 7 countries. Name them. So, they are India shares land boundary with the 7 countries. They are Pakistan, Nepal, Bhutan, China, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka and Afghanistan. So, here are the 7 countries. Now coming to question 3rd. Which 2 major rivers fall into the Arabian Sea? So, the river Narmada and the river Tapi fall into the Arabian Sea. Now, coming to question 4. Name the delta formed by the Ganga and Brahmaputra. So, beta, you can see the picture of the delta, and the Sundarban delta is formed by the river Ganga and the Brahmaputra. Now, coming to question 5. How many states and union territories are there in India? And which state have a common capital? So, you can see the map. There are 28 states and 8 union territories in India. And Punjab and Haryana have a common capital, Chandigarh. Now coming to question 6. Why do a large number of people live in the northern plains? The northern plains are generally flat and level land, having alluvial deposit laid down by the rivers such as the Indus, the Ganga, the Brahmaputra and their tributaries. These river plains provide fertile land for cultivation. Hence, a large population referred to live here. Now, coming to question 7. Why is Lakshadweep known as a coral island? Beta, Lakshadweep is made of corals. And what are corals? They are the skeletons of tiny marine animals called polyps. So, now coming to define the following. Tributary, a river or a stream which join the major river. So, as you can see in the map that Ganga is the main river and Betwa and Son are the tributaries of the main river Ganga. Now coming to delta, a triangular shaped area where the river has split into smaller stream before entering the sea. Now coming to Indo-Gangetic Plains, another name for Great Northern Plains. We call the northern plains as the Indo-Gangetic Plains. Now coming to Peninsula, a part of a landmass surrounded by water on the 3 sides. You can see in the map of India, it is a peninsula. The southern part of the India is a peninsula because it is surrounded by sea. On the west, it is Arabian Sea. In the east, it is Bay of Bengal, and toward the south, it is Indian Ocean. Now coming to lagoon, a shallow area of salt water that is separated from sea by a reef or an area of rock or sand. Now coming to next, that is corals. Coral are the skeleton of tiny marine animals called polyps. Now coming to alluvial deposit. These are very fine soil brought by rivers and deposited in the river basin. Okay, now coming to very short answer type question. How does the local time change? So beta, the local time change by 4 minutes for every 1 degree of longitude. I have told you that after every longitude, for crossing one longitude, it takes 4 minutes. So from Arunachal Pradesh to Dwarika, it takes 2 hours because they cover 30 longitude. Now coming to question 2. On what basin have the state been formed? So the state have been formed on the basis of languages. Again, what are polyps? Very easy. Polyps are very small marine animals. Now, what is desert? So, a desert is a dry, hot and sandy stretch of land with very little vegetation. Now, coming to the exercises. Take the correct answer. The southernmost Himalayas are known as Shivalik. Yes. Sahyadris is also known as Western Ghat. The Park Street lie between the country India and Sri Lanka. Now coming to next. The Indian island in the Arabian Sea are known as Lakshadweep Island. Now coming to E, the oldest mountain range in India is, the Aravalli is the oldest mountain range. Now coming to fill in the blanks. India has an area of about 3.28 million square kilometer. The Greater Himalayas are also known as Himandri. The largest state in India in terms of area is Rajasthan. The river Narmada falls into the Arabian Sea. Yes, the latitude that runs almost half, that cuts India almost half, is that Tropic of Cancer. So beta, here we have completed question answers and exercises of our chapter. If there are queries there, please comment on the comment box answers. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.